Good afternoon, guys. I'm coming to you from Crystal River, Florida this afternoon. Beautiful, bright, sunshiny day here in Florida. We're here at the Hampton Inn in Crystal River. It's on US Highway 98. I don't know if that's US Highway 19 as well. I think they run together in some spots. I'm not sure. That's what that is out here, this main road. But anyway, we've got a reservation for the night. We're actually here pretty early, so we're going to take advantage and go to the pool. We found out about a couple of nice restaurants in the area. There's one we might go and see if we can eat there and get a nice sunset while we're having dinner. We'll see how that goes, but let's go get inside this hotel. Let's go get checked in. Let's go check everything out. All right, let's go make some memories. All right, so here's the seating area. Breakfast area. I think the sign's on the wall over here. Let's see. Yep, Hampton's on the house breakfast, 6 to 10 daily. So there's plenty of places to sit. They even got a microwave out here, which is nice if you want to heat something up, like a cup of coffee or something. That's nice. All right, so we got a coffee area over here. That's nice. This is the business center, which is being used right now. It's 24 hours a day for that, which is nice. Got some drinking fountains here. Here's the downstairs restrooms that I always mention in every hotel review. Here's where the pool is. Let's see. Place to put your dirty pool towels and get your clean ones. And at the intro of the video, I did the intro over there from the front parking lot. I was right, this is the pool. Nice, decent looking pool. And then going down this way, the business center and the lobby, the pool. Down here it says ice vending and exercise room. Let's go see what this exercise room's about. It says meeting room here. Can I see inside the meeting room? Nope, it is locked. Sometimes I'm able to peek inside, not this time. There's the fitness room. I'll show that a little bit more later. The guy's in there cleaning it currently. And then this is the ice and vending down here at the end of the first floor, which you see right here. So on our floor, on the fourth floor, we had an ice machine, a soda machine, but not vending. They have vending here as well, which is good. Prices aren't that bad, actually. Starburst, Skittles, M&M's, full-size candy bars are only $1. That's not bad. There's the elevators, which I'll be taking upstairs in a minute. There's the coffee again. Check that out. They did a good job of decorating this place. Even all the pictures on the wall, they decorated with cobwebs and spiders. That's really neat. I like that added touch. Huh. So the exercise room is open from 6 a.m. until midnight. You can see they got a couple of treadmills, stair climber, a stationary bike, free weights, another stair climber, and another one on that side. Plenty of mirrors in here, so if you want to watch yourself, you know, work out, buff up, you can do that. God knows I need plenty of that. They have a drinking station over here, as well as plenty of towels. It's a good exercise room. All right, so our room is up on the 4th floor. So let's go ahead and head up to the 4th floor and I can give you a room tour. So far, I like what I see here. The pool looks amazing. It is a little warm today. It's not super hot. As you saw by the decorations, it is Halloween time here in October. So the decorations kind of gave that away. I can't post this video in December. I gotta post it in October. But it's still for Florida. The weather's probably, I'd say mid-80s today, probably about 85. As you can see, I'm a little sweaty. It is kind of hot. All right, let's see what we got here. This is the ice and vending. See what we're looking at here. I definitely gotta get some ice for the cooler. That's good to know. They got an ice machine right here. Hopefully the room's not too far. And then they've got a Coke machine. How much is it for a Coke? $3 for a 20 ounce. Not the cheapest, but not the most expensive. All right. Nope. we're this way. All right, let's go see what's down here. We are in room 420. Oh, looks like we got a bell up there. Almost looks like the Liberty Bell. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, we got our typical bathroom. They gave us Neutrogena shampoo, conditioner, and lotion, and bar soap. Cool. Nice looking shower and tub. All right. Let's go out this way. Ooh, a bamboo forest on the artwork. That's interesting. What the heck? Thermostat. Controls are located on the unit by the window. All right. Some artwork here. We got a room with 2 queen beds. Looks like somebody already checked in here. Over here we got a phone, a lamp, cabinet with a Bible in it, a TV, a flat screen TV. It's a smaller TV, but that's okay as long as it works, I guess. Microwave. Wow, look at the size of this mini fridge. Oh, it's got a lemonade inside. Good thing is, it's my lemonade. Nobody left anything behind this time. And here's our other bed. There's a tiny little desk over here. The coffee maker. And a lamp. I don't see any USB ports. Oh yeah, right here there might be some. Standard tablet. Charge point, okay. And then we got our view outside the room. And there's a pool down there, as you can see, and there is nobody in it at the moment at all. It's 5 feet deep on the deep end, 3 foot on the shallow end. Definitely gonna take advantage of that pool today. It's a nice day for that. And then this is our view. There's the main road out there, which is US Highway 98. That's what that is. So heading in that direction, that way is south. So that's heading towards, if you stay on 98, you'll end up in Lakeland. If you split off and take 19, you'll end up in like Clearwater area eventually. All right. That's basically our room tour. Nice little cozy room. It'll do for the night. The AC's not blowing extremely high, which is a little concerning. It doesn't feel very strong, but as long as it cools the room down, I guess it'll serve its purpose. One thing I forgot to show was the closet. There's a luggage rack, which we should pull out and put the suitcase on it. Ironing board, some hangers, iron, and it looks like an extra blanket or comforter up there. Good little space. That works. We ended up going to the pool yesterday, and just to give you a heads up, I think the pool is not heated, so keep that in mind if you're coming here in the winter or in the chillier months. Yesterday it was like in the mid-80s here, and the pool was still a little cold. It took a little bit of getting used to. I don't think Tori ever got used to it at all. It was definitely chilly, but it was a nice pool. It was, you know, small, but it was nice. It was fun. And then we went down to breakfast this morning. The staff that was there, the lady that was working, unfortunately we didn't get her name, but she was very friendly. She kept checking in on us, letting us know exactly when she was going to close the doors, that she had made some extra of this or extra of that if we wanted it. She even offered us to take some food with us on the road, but unfortunately we don't have a way to keep it cold, because this is only just a quick little stay for us. We're not on like a big vacation where we have a big cooler or anything. But that was very nice and kind of her to do. Everybody that we encountered staff-wise here has been pretty friendly. You know, it's and definitely a very clean hotel as well. From when we checked in yesterday, even up until this morning, down eating breakfast, there's always somebody walking around cleaning everything. Whether it's changing the trash, mopping the floors, sanitizing tables, stuff like that. We saw it everywhere we went. And unfortunately, one thing too was we had to switch rooms. We were in room 420. I know that's the room that I gave you the tour of. The air conditioning unit ended up when it would go on high, it would stop blowing air for some reason. So it was a little too warm for us in there. We like to keep our room nice and cool, and I don't think it was going to work for sleeping, so we actually ended up switching rooms to room 405. I didn't give you a room tour because it's basically the same exact room. It's just the beds are on this side instead of that side. So that's the only difference. The room itself is actually very identical, so I thought, there's no reason to give you a whole nother room tour. But we ended up in room 405. The air conditioning in here worked great. We ended up having a nice, cool room when we came back from dinner last night. But yeah, if you're passing through the Crystal River area on US Highway 19 or US Highway 98, Whether you're going north or south, it doesn't make a difference. If you're passing through this western part of the state, I would highly recommend staying at this hotel. The staff was excellent. The hotel is very clean. The reviews you see on TripAdvisor, you can believe those reviews. This is an excellent hotel, one of the best Hamptons we've ever stayed at. So we really enjoyed our stay here, and if we were in the area, I know we're gonna stay here again because we got a couple of state parks in this area we have to do still. So probably later on this year, maybe in December or January, we're gonna be back up this way and we're gonna stay here again. Pool will probably be too cold, but we'll be back here again. But all right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, hit that like button down below. That helps us out. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you thought of our review here. And you could do us a favor, share this video. Sharing videos is huge when it comes to social media. Just share it wherever you feel like, you know, if you got somebody who's traveling through this part of the Florida, or you got some other family or friends, you just want somebody else to check out our channel. Bring some more audience our way. We're never going to complain to that. So thank you guys so much, those of you that watch. We do, from the bottom of our hearts, truly appreciate it. All right, guys, we're heading out. We're getting ready to travel down the road somewhere else now. So as always, guys, travel safe. We'll see you soon.